Hey Fit Fam, today we're going to break down the high cable roll. Stay tuned. First, we're going to go over the setup. Palms up involves more bicep activation, while palms down isolates the back more. Either way, you're going to hit the back. Next, make sure you place the cable at chest level. Now for the form. Roll your shoulder blades back. This ensures your shoulders stay safe and get the full range of motion. Pull towards your lower chest. This makes sure you're involving your lats. Make sure your base is stable. You should be in one position throughout the whole movement. You shouldn't be moving around. This applies for most of your pull movements, but pull with your elbow instead of your hands. This ensures you're using your back. Even when you're letting the bar go back to the cable, make sure your shoulder blades are still retracted. This keeps your shoulders safe throughout the movement. Mind muscle connection. Make sure you're squeezing your back and you feel the muscles working. Especially when you're first starting out, keep the weight light. Don't ego lift this. This is an isolation movement. Keep it light and get your form down correct. And to finish it, keep your movement nice and slow. Don't use momentum to try to jerk the weight. Once again, this is an isolation movement for your back. If you found this video helpful at all, please like, share, and subscribe. And hey, love what you do. If you don't like it, why are you doing it?